Fire alarm's going off. You hear people? Oh, you hear people yelling? That's her. She's yelling. She's the one yelling, screaming. Good God. This is like the second fire drill. Not fire drill, but second time a fire has caused us to have to evacuate in like a week. So I don't know what's going on, but I hope the fire department enjoys this. As I do. Big old fire truck. No, I don't. And I don't see anybody else evacuating. How come we're the ones? Oh, wait. Oh, they are evacuating. There's a fireman. Fireman's leaving. I wish I'd have got that. Oops.
Like he's in that big hurry.
He doesn't. He was walking out super slow. Oh, thank God. Maybe it's another popcorn fire. Last week we got evacuated because there was a popcorn fire in somebody's microwave or something. Anyway, see if you can catch a fireman inside. We can, hang on. Come on, we can. So I take it we can go back in. I don't know. Yeah. Can't really see. That door is still open. Sorry, I'm shaking. It's official. Must have been another popcorn fire. Here we go. having fires. And then having grass this high. You see this? Oh, it's much higher than it looks. There. It's wicked high. The dog gets sand spurs every time he goes outside. This is who comes to help. Do you see what I see? Huh? Do you see what I see? Do you see the man in the hallway?
Yeah.
Can you believe that?
What?
You think somebody could? Okay. Okay, seriously? They couldn't have done that? He was pushing himself a minute ago. That was, come on. That Paulette lady, whatever her name is, got to holler and scream. She's screaming like there's some major thing going on. For it to be nothing again. And then leave a man like that in a chair, crippled up, can't even go down the hall. Anyway, we're supposed to help each other, especially at a facility. So that's why that kind of gets me upset, but sorry.
One of those people, in my opinion, that don't belong in a place like this.
Huh?
You're one of those people that would abuse to make speak out.
Oh, absolutely.
You know what I mean? You hear about
Oh,
abuse in these places.
yeah.
One of the first ones I look at.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Oops, sorry.
Not nice.
Now we got the alarms going off again. Yeah, I know. Hateful. Hateful. Just hateful. Yeah, after screaming him out of his room. Where's everybody else at? Where's everybody else at? How come everybody else didn't come out? Oh, did you? Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not keeping it on. That's just scary.
I saw like 5 or 6 firemen walk out of the building. There's one right there. Look at that.
I'm gonna look at her. They're stopping right there because I got my camera. I can't point it because I'm not gonna point it because I live here. Normally I would believe that. Mm-hmm. Jim. No. Oh my God. Really? Well, I hope nothing is going on, but we got firemen in the hallway now talking to the night nurse, and she's flipping out. She's slinging her arms, and they're laughing. He's laughing. This ain't funny. There's nothing funny here. A bunch of old sick people. In a fire? No, we got 4 of them. No, they're coming back in. Crap. Mm-mm. Hey. That'll get you in trouble. Hope they're not trying to come in our apartment. No, I mean seriously, like they could kick our door in. Huh? Well, what if they're in our room? What are they doing? I'm so impatient. I mean, come on. They tell us we had to get out, and now everybody goes back to their rooms, and we're stuck outside like idiots. Oh my God, now they got people back evacuating again. He shouldn't be walking. My buddy that just walked by, he shouldn't be walking right now. This is the second time I've seen him go down the hallway. He should not be walking. His little feet are swollen like crazy. He's got big feet, not little, but they're swollen. And that's unfair. This is stupid. Uh-oh, I smell gas. We gotta go.